Ever feel like you're just off? Maybe sluggish, down, or struggling with a seasonal slump? What if I told you there's a scientifically backed way to boost your mood, improve your sleep, and even tackle skin conditions, all with the power of light? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of light therapy, also known as phototherapy. We'll explore the science behind how different wavelengths of light impact our bodies, the various types of light therapy available, and the surprising range of conditions it can help treat. Get ready to illuminate your understanding. Let's start with the basics. How does light affect us? Our bodies have photoreceptors, primarily in our eyes, but also in our skin, that respond to light. When light enters our eyes, it triggers the release of serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation and feelings of well-being. Conversely, reduced light exposure, like in winter, can lead to decreased serotonin and melatonin production, contributing to seasonal affective disorder, or SAD. Light therapy, using specialized lamps that mimic sunlight, helps compensate for this deficiency, essentially tricking your brain into thinking it's a brighter, sunnier day. Think of it as a natural mood booster, scientifically engineered. Now, it's not just about brightness. Different colors of light have different effects. Blue light, for example, is often used to treat acne and other skin conditions. It targets the bacteria that contribute to breakouts and can reduce inflammation. Red light therapy, on the other hand, is gaining popularity for its potential to stimulate collagen production, reduce wrinkles, and even accelerate wound healing. This is because red light penetrates deeper into the skin, impacting cellular function. Different wavelengths interact with different parts of our bodies, making light therapy a surprisingly versatile treatment option. Here's a fascinating fact: light therapy isn't just for humans. Veterinarians use it to treat skin conditions in animals, and even farmers utilize specific light wavelengths to optimize plant growth. Furthermore, research suggests that light therapy can positively impact sleep cycles by regulating melatonin production. Consistent exposure to bright light in the morning can help shift your circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep at night. It's a powerful tool, and scientists are continually uncovering new applications, from managing neurological disorders to potentially aiding in muscle recovery. So, to recap, light therapy harnesses the power of light to influence our mood, skin health, and even sleep patterns. By understanding how different wavelengths affect our bodies, we can utilize this technology to improve our overall well-being. It's a safe, non-invasive, and increasingly accessible treatment option with a growing body of scientific evidence supporting its benefits. If you found this video enlightening, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what other science topics you'd like us to explore.